So in the next phase, I'll go on to create a sheet. So here, click on new sheet, okay. And then I'll place this 3D view inside of the sheet. Alright, put the scale on 1 to 25. Alright, 1 to 50 now. Then right click and deactivate view. After that, I'll place it right here. Then put this on no tile. Alright, now in order to assign a mark here, we'll have to place it inside of sheet first. So I'll click OK here. And then I'll go to the plan and then double click on this part. Then I'll put the visibility on solid. And then I'll go to the assign tool. Then open up the set mark menu and then OK. Here select the sheet that we've created and then hit OK. Alright, now right click on it and select deactive. Now I'll go to the first level plan. So here we've put some rebars in this parts. I'll go here using the section tool and then I'll click on detail view. There we go, then open it up. Now I'll just move it here so I can enlarge it. Alright, then put the offset on 500 and then pull this up here. Then put the scale on 1/20th and we go back to the section tool and detail view. Then I'll go to the plan and put one over here and open it up. Alright, so here put the scale on 1 to 20 again and then fine. After that, I'll go to the detail 0 section that we've created and copy this, then paste one up here and then another one right in the middle. Now let me just reverse this one's direction and then open it up. Alright, this one's fine. And there we go. Let me just go and create another sheet. There it is. Now I'll just go to the detail 0 section. Alright, not here. Let's see where else we should go. It's the third one. So let's go back to the sheet and place the detail 0 section in the sheet 2. And as soon as you put the sheets anywhere other than the one that we've already placed, they get activated once again. So just like this, we put this here, and then I'll double click on the first one. Open up the set mark menu, OK. Alright, so we have some dimensions here, such as tag all. So what's actually the function of the tag all tool? When you use it, and then click on the part of the plan that you want, it automatically places tags. So if I actually open this up, let's see, here we can see the tag that it's put. And we have other tools that we'll learn about in the next episodes as well. For example, here we can go to the annotate tab and using the multi-rebar tool, we can click on the linear multi-rebar annotation. So here we've clicked on the plan as well, and then you can see how it's been placed. So if I actually click on this, we can change this type. Then you can select any type that you want. So after that, we'll go here and right click and select deactivate view. And as you can see, we placed some tags here. Let me just take a look at the detail 0 file and put some measurings right here. So I'll go up here and using the detail bend tool, cancel this, click on this part right here. Then we extract the form of this for the bending tool. And there we go. Then let me just bring it here. And then click on deactivate view once again. After that, I'll go to the detail 2 and double click on it and select the tag all option. Let's see. Alright, because the higher one has already been placed, it's fine for now. So deactivate view again. And now I'll double click on this. And from the selfie stick tool, I'll click on the copy to clipboard option. Then I'll select this so that we can copy it. Then right click and deactivate view. After that, we'll go to the plan. So as you can see, we haven't placed any rebars here. So I'll just select section tool and put one right here. There we go, adjust it and then open it up. Alright, I'll pull this up here. There we go. And then we'll put the scale on 1/20th. After that, I'll create a new sheet and then I'll place the new view inside of the new sheet. And now double click on it. After that, I'll go here to the tools and select the paste to clipboard option that we have. And then I'll click on this part. There we go, then just finish it up. After we've done that, this window pops up. It says the detail 0 and 1 files include some tags and symbols. And they don't have any dimensions, so that's why this is unchecked. So we'll just click OK. Let's see, and here it is. Now I can go here and open up the section box that we've created down here, and it automatically redirects you to this right here. So this tool can be extremely helpful and beneficial to you because the nuke section is pretty much identical to the last one, and you can just redirect it to the lookalike. It's kind of like the sync method that we use using the section here and then the reference view, but it's a bit more professional. So then I'll right click here and deactivate. So that's the function of